Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to connect a pedal to a Roland electric piano. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is actually the pedal that came with this Roland electric piano combo. So this was a combo, it came with the piano, the stand, the pedal, this stand over here to hold the piano up, and a bench, okay? And this is, I believe this is the Roland DP2, if I remember correctly. Don't quote me on that, but this is the basic pedal that came with it. I think it's the Roland DP2. I'm just looking if there's a model number anywhere here, but no, I just opened it, like I said, about a few days ago, and that's why it's so fresh in my head. But you know, whether or not that's the model number, it doesn't matter, because whatever pedal you're using for your Roland electric piano, it's going to be the same process to connect it. So as you can see right here, connected to the pedal is this cord, and at the end of the cord is this 1/4-inch jack over here. Now what you need to do is you need to locate the input for this output, okay? So this is the output, it's outputting the pedal's motion, and you need to, the pedal's action, I should say, and you need to locate the input on the piano. So what we're doing is we're looking at the back of the piano. There's the front, I'll hold the camera up, you can see there's a front on the other side over there. This is the back, and on the back you're gonna look for a port. Now it's kind of hard to see with the lighting, but you can see there's two ports right here. This one on the left says phones. It's kind of hard to see, but phones, which for your headphones. And this one says pedal, okay? So you're gonna look for the one that says pedal. And what you wanna do is you wanna plug it into that one. And it's literally that simple. So take it and plug it into that one. Plug it in nice and firmly, make sure it goes all the way in, and your pedal is now connected. You can use it to sustain or whatever you're doing with the pedal, because some of the Roland electric pianos actually have the capability of a 3-pedal unit that you can use. This is just a sustain pedal, but some of them have advanced capabilities. This is the Roland FP10. I'll show you right here. This is actually the Roland FP10. Go on the other side right here, you can see it says FP10, which was the combo that I got, the FP10 over there. And basically it came with all the things that I said before, but there's like FP30, and I believe there's FP60, which have more capabilities. Now, for this one, it's really easy to know which one to plug it into, because one of them over here, as you can see, is a big 1/4-inch jack, and this is a 3.5 millimeter, that's the name for this one, the smaller one, right? But on some of the more advanced ones, you're also gonna have a 1/4-inch headphone jack. So you're really gonna have to look at the labels to know which one to plug it into. This one I can just plug it in because it only fits in one of them over here. But on some of the advanced ones, you're gonna have to sort of look at the labels. But that's it. If you want to connect your pedal to your Roland digital electric piano, this is the video for you. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.